I want to show you how to paint a decently large area in watercolour in a very smooth wash with zero hard edges. First of all, make up a batch of your colour so it's ready for you to dip into without your painting drying out. A large brush with a decently pointy tip is useful because the brush will hold a lot of paint without you having to re-dip too often. Make sure your brush is thoroughly wet and fully loaded with paint. Start to paint an area, ensuring the edge of your wash is absolutely wet and not about to dry out. Water beads like these are the edges that you move with your brush to cover the area with paint. Because these beads are very wet, they will not leave a sharp edge of dried, unblendable paint. They will ensure a smooth wash. Make sure you have the correct degree of wetness in your brush. Too wet and the paint will be uncontrollable. Too dry and the edges will dry too quickly, giving sharp lines or edges throughout the wash, and may leave you with a blotchy, jaggy looking wash. Always return to the edge of the paint you've laid down quite quickly before it starts to dry. So you paint a small area, then return to wet the edge of that area quickly before it dries out. Paint an area, return to the edge of the paint, round and round. But never go back and paint on top of semi-dried paint, because the new wetter paint will react on top of the drier paint by the pigment travelling to and remaining at the edge of the new wetter paint, creating a sharp edge. Move that wet edge with you as you paint across your area, and you should have a beautifully smooth, perfectly blended wash. Click on the next video on the screen to watch tips and practice suggestions for perfecting your washes. Thank you. Bye.